Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue rectangle ABCD along with these two line segments AE and BE, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this angle AEB is a 90 degrees angle, and moreover the side length of this blue rectangle AB is 181 units, whereas this segment BE is 180 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue rectangle ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this line segment AE, and I'm going to label this segment as X. And now our task is to find the value of X. And now let's focus on this right triangle AEB, and we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this right triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 181, whereas our two other legs are x and 180 units. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got x square plus 180 square is going to be equal to 181 square. Let's simplify. We're going to get x square plus 324 with two zeros is going to be equal to 32,761. And now I'm going to subtract 32,400 from both sides to isolate x square. And here we can see they are gone. So therefore, x square value turns out to be 361. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore, our x value turns out to be simply 19 units. So thus our x value turns out to be 19 units. In other words, this segment AE length is 19. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle AEB. And we are going to find the area of this right triangle AEB. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. In our case, this is the base of this triangle, which is 180, whereas the height of this triangle is 19 units. So therefore, this triangle AEB area is going to be a half times the base is 180 and the height is 19. And if we simplify and multiply the right hand side, that is going to give us 1710 square units. So thus we figured out the area of this right triangle AEB as 1710 square units. And here in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular EF on this side AB. And as a result, this right triangle AEB has been divided into these two right triangles. This right triangle AEF and this other right triangle BEF. And I'm going to label the area of this triangle AEF as A sub 1 and the area of this other right triangle BEF as A sub 2. So therefore, our this right triangle AEB area is going to be the sum of these two individual areas, A sub 1 plus A sub 2. So therefore, triangle AEB area is going to be a sub 1 plus a sub 2. And we also know that our triangle AEB area is 1710. And if we compare these two equations, then we can equate the right hand sides as well. So therefore we conclude that a sub 1 area plus area a sub 2 is going to be equal to 1710. And now let's focus on this rectangle AFED along with this diagonal AE. Then we conclude that the area of this right triangle is going to be congruent to the area of this right triangle. If this area is a sub 1, then this area has got to be a sub 1 as well. And now let's focus on this other rectangle FBCE along with this diagonal BE. Conclude the area of this right triangle is going to be equal to the area of this right triangle. And we know the area of this right triangle is a sub 2. So therefore the area of this right triangle is going to be a sub 2 as well. So therefore we conclude that the area of this whole blue rectangle ABCD is going to be the sum of all these individual areas, a sub 1 plus a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 2 as well. So therefore the blue rectangle area is going to be a sub 1 plus likewise a sub 1 plus a sub 2 and finally plus a sub 2 as well. And if we combine these like terms, we could write 2 times a sub 1 plus 2 times a sub 2. And here we could see 2 is in common. So therefore we could factor out 2 outside. So we got in parentheses a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So thus the area of this blue rectangle is going to be 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub 2. And now we know from this equation a sub 1 plus a sub 2 value is 1710 square units. So therefore I'm going to substitute that value 1710 square units over here. So therefore we could write 2 times 1710. If we multiply, that is going to give us 3420 square units, the area of this blue rectangle ABCD. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue rectangle turns out to be 3420 square units. In other words, the area of this blue rectangle is going to be 3420 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.